Hi there, my name is Boris and I am on the road Astana Almaty or Almaty Astana, and I'm going home on my new motorcycle. It's Honda VTX 1800, and it's interesting trip because I got raining, I got windy, and I need to go also 400 kilometers to Balkhash city, and I think it will be a long way. And tomorrow I will continue from Balkhash to Astana. Hi there, my name is Boris, and we continued. As you remember, I was in my trip. I started today, maybe yesterday, because it's really deep night in this moment, and I started yesterday my trip from Almaty to Astana, but I spent a lot of time with my friends in Almaty, with my deals with motorcycle, with some details, buying and something else, and I started really late. It was after 4 p.m. and it was really late because my trip, my way to Astana, it takes something around 15 or 18 hours on the road, because it's 1200 kilometers from Almaty to Astana, but we have a lot of services on the road. We have repair or building on the road, and we have a lot of speed limits on the road. And for example, in this moment I went 300 kilometers from Almaty, not free, 400 kilometers from Almaty, and it takes something around 8 hours, because a lot of speed limits, a lot of service works on the road, and it takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of your power, your attention. And because I started really late, half of my way today, I was in the night, in the evening, and it was without sun. It was really dark, and I'm tired, and I decided to stop for today, and I stay in Priozorsk. It's a little town nearby Balkhash, and tomorrow I will continue, and I will start it to Balkhash, and next Karaganda and Astana. It takes maybe 12 hours, I think. I'm not sure, but something around that. And I hope I arrived. I arrive. I hope I will arrive in the evening tomorrow at home. And today I need to sleep and I have some experience with my new motorcycle. It's a it's a really big motorcycle, and it's a really powerful engine. I have some moments that I don't like. I need to observe these moments, and I have to repair my motorcycle because I have to change my brake fluid because I don't like how works my brakes. It's not enough for this big motorcycle, I think, and I have to change my brake fluid, and I have to observe some with my front fork, some strange moments when you go and open your throttle, and on the speed around 140 kilometers per hour and higher, I feel some noisy behavior from motorcycle, and I don't like this. It's a little dangerous. I have to decide in this moment, but it's a huge engine, and it's a lot of power. I like it. And thank you for watching, and I go sleep, and today's morning I will continue my trip at home, and see you tomorrow. Bye.